So hey guys, welcome back to my another video. And this video I am going to tell you how you can make a normal play pause button. Obviously it is related with music application and it is not that difficult, but it is the most fundamental component of any music application, or simply we can say to play music file. Well guys, in today's video I am not going to show you how you can play the music, but how you can make the play pause button, obviously, so that in further coming videos I can also teach you, sorry, not teach you, but yes, I can show you how you can make a normal play pause button, and by the help of that play pause button you can play a normal music application, sorry, music file. So yes guys, let's start our today's video. But before starting this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any sort of update by me or by my channel. So yeah guys, let's start our today's video. So guys, till now you have seen how you can make a basic structure of any play pause button, and it was not that hard. And now guys, I'm going to program it, and let me show you how you can simply program it. And it is quite simple. The main thing that works in this program is display function. Actually that is not the function, that is the part of CSS, but it is also used in the JavaScript. So yeah guys, let's start it. So guys, this is how you can make a normal play pause button, and I hope it was not that difficult for you. And guys, that's it. If you like this video, then please make sure to hit the like button, and also do subscribe my channel, and obviously share this with your friends and family if you think that this video will be helpful for them as well. And guys, don't forget to comment any sort of good or bad review that you want to give to me, then please let me know in the comment section. And that's it guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.